Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami balloon. So first you're going to take your paper and fold it in half. You need a square piece of origami paper. Then you're going to unfold and fold it the other way. Then you're going to unfold, turn the paper over, and fold it diagonally. Then you're going to unfold and fold it the other way. And now, what you're going to do is you're going to hold it like this and push. So it looks like that. And you're going to pull that end that way and that end that way. So it should look like this, a triangle. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the corner, lift it up, fold it to the top. Then do the same with the other side. Then you're going to turn over and do the same thing again. And do the same to the other side. So now it's a very small diamond, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this corner, you're going to fold it to the middle crease, and do the same with the other side. Then you're going to turn the paper over and do the same thing, and do it to both sides. Now you're going to take this edge and tuck it in that gap. Look like this. You're going to open that up, take this corner, tuck it inside of that, and keep pushing until it goes in. Then do the same to the other side. And if you want to make it easier, you can fold it like that first. I should probably do that. So, fold it in like that, then you tuck it in the pockets. And do the same to the other side. Then you're going to turn over and do the same thing again. You're gonna open up those like that. So it goes like that, now it's like that, and you open them up. And you're going to fold these flaps up. So it should look like that. Then you're going to tuck them in right there inside that flap. So now there's only one more step. That is to find the side. So you're going to kind of pull it apart like this. You're going to find the side that has a tiny hole. And what you're going to do is you're going to blow in it. Just gonna blow in the hole, and it should inflate the entire thing. And now you've got an origami balloon. You can bounce a little bit. Here, I'll show you. So it's just round piece of origami paper. Fold it into this. So that is how you make an origami balloon. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you next time. Bye.